Hello World program on Java. So let us go for our first program to be written and to be executed on our Java Eclipse IDE.
On the Eclipse editor, we are going to type our code on to display the hello world string. In the package explorer, we are going for the right click, new and Java project. Giving the name as my hello world. You can give any other name here. So here we are going for this Java SE 1.8. All the things have been set. Now going for next. So it will create one src folder, going for finish. So my hello world has got created. This Java project has got created. On this src, we are going for this right click, new, and then going for this package. Giving the name as com.demo.hello world. com.demo.hello world. So that is my package name. We're going for finish. Then on this package, going for right click, then new, then going for class. It will go on creating a Java class. So let it be hello world. This class name and the file name must be same. So here you can find that we have given the name hello world with H and W capital letters. Rest letters are in the lowercase. Then the hello world.java will be created and that will be having the same name as that of the class name. The package name has got displayed here. So under this we're going to create one function, that is a main. I'm not going to type the full main prototype. We're going for this, we'll type this main and then control spacebar. We're using the Eclipse IntelliSense here. So that is the main method which will have the prototype, that is public static void main string array args. So the respective function has got printed. So now we are going for this sysout. I shall not go on typing our system.out.println. I shall type only sysout and then control spacebar. So we are using Eclipse IntelliSense. So here we are typing here hello world. So in this way the respective program we have typed. So here public class hello world, the name of the class is hello world. The hello world must be same as that of the file name. So the file name is hello world.java. We're going to save that one. And the first function which will start its execution is known as the main function, which will have the prototype, that is public static void main string array args. Obviously this args can be changed because it is nothing but one string array object. And instead of writing this public static, also you can write static public. So that is also allowed. So that is also allowed, but it is our common practice to write public static. So public means this particular function is accessible from outside of the class, and static means this particular function will have a single instance irrespective of the number of objects we are going to create under the class hello world. And void indicates that this function returns nothing, it returns void. And system.out.println, we will be using it to display some string on the screen, so on the console. So here the string must be enclosed within double quotes in Java. So how to execute this program? Just we shall click on this run hello world.java in Eclipse, and then the respective output will be obtained, that is a hello world. So in this demonstration we have given you the idea that how to create a Java project, Java package, Java class, how to type code in Eclipse in that particular Java class, whatever you have created. Here it is hello world, and how to execute the code to get the output in the console.